Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. Do you want to know what I'm adding to my closet today? Give me 1 second. If you're new to my channel and just happen to stop by, thank you so much. If you like my channel and you like my content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you really like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So today I have a new box to my channel. This is a quarterly subscription or a bi-monthly subscription. I ordered this box back in June, so I think it's a June, July, and then in August, September. And it is called Beatfacebox, and it comes in this beautiful packaging. I have no idea what is in here, and the price of the bi-monthly is listed below, and I'm so excited to get into it. It's just like this cute little handbag, and you snap open the top and it's got all these beauty products in there. I don't see a card in here, so let me look. As I said, this is my first time getting it, and on here it says Beatfacebox. It's got their website and their hashtag and all the information to get into contact with them. And the first thing I see is by Kala, and it's Cosmetic Brush Collection. And I have not heard of this brand, but the brushes are packaged very nicely. And I will take them out. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 7 brushes, and a nice bag to put them in. So that's really nice, and I'm going to feel the brushes. And they feel a little coarse, to be honest, but they've got some eye brushes, and this one looks like a lip brush at this last one that's got the little holder. So they wouldn't be my first let me try them brushes, but again, it's nice, and they do have a case with them, and they came in a nice bag, so if you wanted to put them back in here, and it does have what each brush is used for, so that's kind of nice, so that you know what you are to do with each brush. So that is nice, but again, they didn't feel the softest, but I have to take them out and practice with them. The next item is by Hikari Cosmetics. It's a contour stick trio, contour bronzer and highlighter, and the colors are right there, and it also tells you how to use it, which is always nice. Wow. So there are, I don't know with the sun there, if you can see the shades. The one is pretty dark, but again, I posted, I think it was in my BoxyCharm video, that some colors are very deceiving. I've gotten them, and I just tried them like on my hand, and they're not as dark as they look. So I will try these. I could go online and maybe before I edit the video see if I can get some prices. And then the next thing look like 3 shades of lipstick, and they're by Kaylin. And we have the Pure Lust Extreme Matte Tint, and we've got number 5, number 32, and number 87. So these are the colors. I'm not going to take them out of the packaging. Not sure if I'm going to keep them or put them in a giveaway. So there's no like actual name on them. They're just more of a number, but they're not bad. They are a neutral color and I might decide to use them. And the next thing, I'm just loving this little case that you can put everything in. It's kind of durable, so it's not going to get broken or anything. And it looks like it might have 2 palettes in there. And it's wrapped really, really nice. And I don't think the price for this box was outrageous. I mean, it's not like it's name brand stuff, but oops, where's my scissors? I don't want to pop in your ears. Okay. And it's the first thing looks like a highlighter blush by Okalan. Again, I have not heard of this brand. It's an 8-color Merrill palette. But look at the colors. Can you see those? It's 8-color marble palette. Let's see if I can open this. This might be, yeah, it's taped. Wow. There's some highlighters in there. Some you can look for blushes. Now they do have on the back, oh, it's a magnetic closure. So that's nice. They have numbers, but I don't see where the, oh, don't see where the numbers match up to anything. They have the ingredients, but yeah, those are very pretty. I don't want to swatch them because, again, might go into a giveaway. So I have to think about if I'm going to try those. And then the last thing, wow, look at that. And this is Fancy Me 28 Shade Pressed Pigment Palette. Armor Us. What do you think? What do you think so far of these products? I mean, for the price, you can't beat it. And this one is taped. I just thought this would be something fun to try. And I cannot get it opened. Okay, I finally got it opened. And the palette is the same as the box. Okay. Now, it has a mirror, but look at those colors. Now, these are some nice colors. I don't know, again, there's some magentas in there that I will not go there. I don't know if this is calling my name. I don't think I could use these colors because I don't know if I would make a mess of my eyes with these colors. Let me know what you think. They're definitely pigmented. I'm losing the color. So I'm not going to swatch them. There's some beautiful golds in there. Let me know if you guys would use these colors. So what I might do is a giveaway with this palette. And where's my other fun? With just these 2 palettes. Let me know if you would like to see a giveaway with these 2 palettes. If you comment that you would like to, I just might have to do a giveaway. It depends how many comments I get. and let me know if I should continue this. As I said, this was my first time trying this. I don't know where I saw it, if I saw it on Facebook, if I saw it on Instagram, if I don't think anybody else had tried it. It was just something that had popped up. It was this cute little bag. Maybe that's what attracted me. So again, let me know overall what you thought of it, and if you'd like to see a giveaway with these two. So yeah, leave me comments. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.